Hi friends, today our topic is about how to find the inverse of the matrix by using Gauss-Jordan method. Before starting the video, I want to say to the viewers that I have done this topic in Telugu. If you want to see this topic in Telugu, you can see in my channel, and I am doing each and every topic in both Telugu and English so that if the people want to see in Telugu, they can see in my channel each topic, and I am also giving at least one to two example for each topic to make you clear. This inverse of the matrix, we have given an example A equals to 1 0 0 6 2 1 4 3 2, which is an 3 into 3 matrix. Here we have an condition that A equals to I n A n into n, where n is an order of the matrix A. What is the order of the matrix A? Matrix A order is an A equals to I3 3 into 3. Here if we have the order 4 into 4, then here we will get 4 into 4. Then in inverse of the matrix, we should make the left side matrix A should be converted into an identical matrix. But identical matrix, it means the normal form is also same like that, but in that we will do both row operation and column operation. But here in inverse of the matrix only we should do the row operation, not column operation. Using the row operation only, we should make the left side matrix A into an identical matrix. At last we should get I equals to BA, where right side A will be same, left side A should be converted into an identical matrix with only row transformation, not in column transformation. Here first A equals to I3A. First we will write the matrix A 6 2 1 3 2 6 equals to I3 means 3 into 3, 3 rows 3 column, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next A as it is. Here first identical matrix means first diagonal element should be present, then next non-diagonal element should be 0. Here first column, row 2 element, row 3 element is already 0. So we'll try to make second column, third row element 0, 1 to 0 with the help of R2, not R1. If we try to make with R1, we'll get here non-zero element. So we will try to make 0 with the help of R2. R3 tends to 2 into R3 minus R2, then we will get here 0. First row, second row element should be as it is, 0 0, 2 2 is 4 minus 3, 1 equals to, here we should make, if we have any operation, we will make in both left side and right side. So in right side also, for this matrix we will try to do this operation with only for the row 3, not for row 1 and row 2. See, 2 into 0, 0 minus R2 0, 0 minus 1 will get 2 A. Next, this is a diagonal element, we made this as 0. Next we will try to make these elements to 0. Only row operation, not column operation. With row operation we will try to make these two elements 0 with the help of this or this, row 2 or row 4. We can't make with row 4. Why? Because 6, we should try to make 6 to 0. With the help of 0 you can't make 0, so that we will take the help of R2. R1 tends to R1 minus 3 into R2, then we will get 0 here. First 1 as it is, because 1 minus 3 into 0 is 1. Here we will get 0. 4 minus 3 3 is a 9. 9 what will get? 4 minus 9 will get 5, minus 5. Next 0 2, 3, no changes, 0, 0, 1. In right side, R1 minus 3, R2, 1. 1 minus 0 will get 1. Here we'll get minus 3, here we'll get 0. Next 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 2. A. Right? Next, we'll try to make this element 0. While making this element 0, we will take the help of this element. We can't take the help of this element. If we take help of this element, here it is 2, right? Then here you will get the non-zero element. So whenever we are taking the help of another element, we should see here these two elements are 0, right? So here there will be no change. We already made this element 0. If we take the row to help, then here we will get non-zero element. So that we'll take the help of R3. R1 tends to R1 plus 5 into R3. Then first 1 plus 5 0. Here 0 will get. Next here also will get 0. Next, no changes. Here only first row element should be changed. See, 1 only will get. Next, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8, 0 plus 5 into R3, 5 into 2, 10, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 2, A. Next, we will try to, here it is an diagonal, we will try to make this element 0 with the help of this element, so that here it is not a we should not make this element 0 because it is in diagonal element. We should not, if it is becoming 0 while we are doing, it is no problem, but we should not try to make this element 0. So we should make only this element 0 with the help of R4, R3. R2 tends to R2 minus 3 into R3. 1 0 0 0 2. Here we'll get 0 0 0 1. Here also will only changes in R2, no changes in R1 and R3. 0 1 minus into minus plus 3, 4 0 minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 0 minus 1, 2, A. Right? Next we should, here we'll see, here we'll get 2. It is 2, but the diagonal element should be 1 for the identical matrix. So R2 tends to R2 by 2. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Only for R2, no changes in R1 and R3. 0 4 by 2, 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 2, A. See, now it is an I equals to BA form. So for A inverse, taking this to left side, what will get? A inverse equals to I into A inverse equals to B. So A inverse value is equals to B. It is a B, right? So A inverse equals to B. This is the answer. A inverse value. Next, see, if we see, we got A inverse value, right? Is the A inverse value is right or wrong? To know that, you should make A inverse do multiplication in A inverse into A. If we get I, identical matrix I, then the answer is correct. If we did not get I identical matrix, then the answer A inverse value what you got is wrong. This is a trick to find if your answer is right or wrong. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.